doing like my first health related video. I don't talk about this topic very often just because I'm obviously not a health expert, but during the holidays and for that breakup, I kind of gained weight, like stress weight and just eating because food is awesome. And I'm just going to be completely open with you guys in this video just because we're all comfortable with each other. I usually weigh around 110 to 115, but during the holidays I got up to like 125, and for me that's just not normal, and everybody's body's different, so what might be 125 for me is different from somebody who's like 6 foot tall. But for me personally, I'd never been up that high, so I wanted to get myself back down in a healthy way, so I followed these 8 rules to do it. So I'm going to share these with you guys because summer's coming around the corner, so I'm just going to share with you guys my tips to losing 10 pounds in 2 weeks in a healthy way. How much cheesier can I get? Alright, my first tip is obvious and kind of the sucky tip, and it is to not eat junk food. And you don't have to tell me twice, they're like, oh, like what, really? Because I used to eat Taco Bell like pretty much every day when I was in high school, and it was not good. I also have a very horrible obsession with milkshakes and coffee and all these horrible things. But seriously, like a week after I stopped eating junk food, I felt so much better. Like my body just felt like lighter and more energized. So if you have the willpower, try to give up junk food, and I classify junk food as anything that's like not natural from the earth pretty much. So like Taco Bell, Burgerville, Burger King, McDonald's, all like of those, and then I know sadly the Doritos, the Cheetos, the cinnamon rolls. Like try to avoid that at all costs. Alright, tip number 2 was a little bit easier for me just because I love the taste of water. So I pretty much switched all of my beverages during the day to water. I give myself coffee in the morning just because I need a little caffeine. But like when I order at restaurants, I always ask for a water with lemon, and I do it with lemon because water is just kind of boring. So if you do like lemon or limes, it kind of just like mixes it up a little bit. And you can also do like different fruit too, like strawberries. That'd probably be really good, like a strawberry and a like lemon. But when I did take my nutrition class, they pretty much told me that the worst thing you can do is to drink your calories because you're not really getting any nutritional value out of it, and it's not helping you really at all. So if you can try to switch all your drinks to water, that will really help you kind of feel cleansed and help you lose weight. Okay, my third tip is actually pretty easy to add into your routine, and that is to add an extra 30 minutes of walking in your day. And this can honestly just be really fun. Like I take the dogs out on a walk, so it's fun for me and them. I'm actually pretty sure I saw this on like an episode of Celebrity Apprentice. Like just an extra 30 minutes of walking can really help your health later down the line, because we all want to be like healthy when we're older, right? And if we're all being honest here, like if I'm gonna be older and if I do happen to have a kid, like I want to be a hot mom, you know? So like why not start walking 30 minutes a day now and then just keep doing that for the rest of your life, and we can all just be MILFs together. Alright, my fourth tip is to meal plan, and this is really perfect for those people out there who like making Excel sheets, like my sister who's like a little OCD. But every week on Sunday we plan out our meals, and it's like basically the same type of thing each day. It's nothing really crazy. So for breakfast we'll have like juice and fruit, and then for a snack we'll have like an apple with peanut butter, and then for lunch we'll have like a nice salad with chicken in it. Trina does like balsamic dressing. Like I can't handle that. I let myself cheat with a little ranch. But honestly, if that's the worst thing I eat that day, that's not bad. And then for dinner we usually have like some sort of chicken or fish with some side vegetables, and we make these all on Sunday with little Tupperware containers with our name on it and which day we eat it. So like we are forced pretty much to eat healthy because it's already cooked, it's already made. There's no excuse for us not to eat healthy at that point. So it really helps us stay on track, and it also helps us eat smaller meals throughout the day more often, because you're not supposed to have like huge meals. Even though I love having like a ginormous dinner, that's probably like one of the worst things you can do. Alright, tip number 5 is to actually work out a couple times a week. I don't work out every day. I'm just not that type of person. It doesn't mix with like my shower routine. Like I don't want to be sweaty all the time, so I pretty much work out like every other day, or sometimes like every other day. But on those days I'll do like squats, I'll do like some butt exercises, things. I don't know what they're called when you like kick your leg up and you're like on your hands and knees and you kick your leg. I don't know what that's called, but that one really makes your butt bigger. And then like lifting weights, so this just helps me kind of like tone certain parts of my body, while the walking just kind of keeps my stamina up. So if you do both of them, your body's going to be looking good. Alright, the 6th tip is to sleep more. And you would think that you wouldn't have to tell people to sleep more, but sometimes things just happen. You get stressed, you stay up all night thinking about stuff, and then you eat because you're stressed, and it just turns into this really bad cycle. So if you can get yourself to go to bed by like 10 o'clock every night, or whatever time that you can like actually stick to, it is really good to have yourself set on a schedule so your body can just get used to it. And if you're sleeping more, trust me, you are less stressed. But seriously, like sleep helps everything for me, like mood, sickness, and health. So sleep is a good thing. Okay, tip number 7. You guys are probably gonna hate me for this because I don't enjoy it very much either, and it is to not eat for enjoyment, but to eat for necessity. We learned to eat like those 3 big meals a day just because everybody else was eating. Like, we might not even be hungry, but we'll eat just because it's dinner time. And the moment I got myself out of that mindset and was just like, am I hungry right now? No. Okay, I'm not gonna eat. Like, I started losing so much weight because I wasn't just eating because I thought I had to. I ate because I needed to, and then I was done. I know that's not very fun, but if you're trying to get yourself that perfect summer body, you kind of have to give a little leeway somewhere, so that's kind of how I did it. And to kind of make up for that last tip, my very, very last tip is to give yourself one cheat day. Because if you're telling yourself all the time that you can't have pasta, I feel like there's gonna come a point where you just binge on pasta and cheese and all these horrible things, and then your stomach's not gonna love you for that whatsoever. So I give myself one cheat day to eat pretty much whatever I want. Like, I don't go crazy and I don't eat like giant portion sizes. I kind of try to stick to like the smaller portions, but I let myself have it just because if I don't, I might do something stupid later down the line. And it kind of just gives you a little bit of like, congratulations, you earned it at the end of the week or whenever you decide to do it. I usually do it on Saturday. If we're being real, I'll let myself get a milkshake and I'm like, you earned it, girl. Like, you've been doing well all week. So those are my 8 tips on how I lost 10 pounds in 2 weeks. And these tips aren't only good just for like losing weight. You can definitely just use them to get a little healthier and a little bit more energetic. But yeah, in full truth, losing weight is all about motivation and mindset. Like, you can't just be like, I want to lose weight because you're looking at like those fitness things on Twitter and then just eat whatever you want and be like, why am I not losing weight? Because I used to do that. I will also say I tried to do this like a couple weeks ago and it didn't work out very well. So like, I failed. And then I tried it again, and then it worked. So just keep trying, like, do not give up. Everybody can be healthy if they want to. Because I knew the second that I started losing weight, I was like, okay, like, let's keep this going. And then like, it slowly started getting like to more and more. And then I lost 10 pounds and I was like, hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up for salads, am I right? But yeah, I'm gonna go make myself a salad for lunch, but I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Where sickness. Seriously, the dog is snoring right now. He's twitching too. Oh my god, are you running in your dream? Can you breathe quietly? I hope you guys can't hear that, can you? I feel bad, but I might actually have to wake him up.